Welcome to the GSG-Tech on-demand manufacturing platform. In this episode, we'll show you how to master the CNC machining web operations in no time. First, go to the File Upload section. We support all major formats like STEP, STL, and IGS, and you can upload multiple files in bulk. The part is ready for quoting. Click Configure to edit part details. Select CNC Machining under Process. Select the required material and grade under Material. Select the part's surface finish in Finish. Sandblasting, anodization, and more are available here. For special surface finish requirements, please upload a 2D drawing for explanation. Select the required surface roughness level, RAV value, under Roughness. Select whether the part is a cosmetic part and cosmetic part. If yes, mark the surface finishes like anodization, electroplating, etc. for engineers to focus on the cosmetic effect. It's recommended to upload a 2D drawing to specify cosmetic requirements. Select the required tightest tolerance under Tightest Tolerance. If the part includes threaded holes or inserts, select Yes and upload a 2D drawing to confirm specifications and locations. Select whether the part includes inserts under Inserts, such as threaded inserts. Select the required part marking method under Part Marking, such as ink stamp, silkscreen, or laser marking. Select the required inspection type under Inspection Report, such as Standard Inspection, CMM Dimensional Report, or First Article Inspection. Use the Remark field to provide any special requirements not covered by the options. In Quantity, enter the required part quantity. The system will automatically calculate the unit price and lead time based on the quantity. After completing the configuration, click Save Configuration to save your setup and proceed to the next step. To ensure manufacturing accuracy, please upload the 2D drawings. System shows price, lead time in real time. Choose Standard, Expedited lead time, add notes for special requests. For logistics, you can choose DHL, UPS, FedEx, or use your own courier account, and select appropriate packaging box options to accommodate different part sizes and shipping requirements. After confirming all requirements, you can complete order, confirmation, and payment within the platform. The platform supports multiple payment methods, and relevant amounts and order information will be clearly displayed before submission.